Hi everybody, it's Dr. Kerry here. Just wanted to do this short video because I'm coming to the end of publishing my book on Amazon, and I've tried to keep you guys posted on what the book writing process is like. And my book's called Joint Journey, and I'm just going to show you that now. And it's going to be on Amazon November the 15th. And I've been working on this book for about 3 to 4 months now, and it's kind of exciting. It's come a long way. I like the colors and I like the cover, which I've never really been that good at. So I'm happy with the way this turned out. And then the book itself, 215 pages approximately, on joint pain, healthy lifestyle, weight loss, and arthritis. So it's going to be a cool book to have published. There's some color graphics in it, and it's the first time I've really had some color graphics in a book, and kind of working with graphics has been neat. There's references at the end of each chapter, which is kind of cool. And just, it's a new experience for me. So kind of taking that to the next level, and, a new experience, kind of developing the writer's skills, the publishing skills. I'll have to work on the audiobook soon and the ebook for Kindle. So it should all come together in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Today I was setting the criteria on Amazon on the back end for publishing the book, the price of the book, the cost that Amazon has set to produce the book, and then I'm going to order some author copies shortly. So it's pretty cool. Probably a couple more read-throughs just to tweak things, and then it'll be good to go on November the 15th. I'll keep you guys posted. DM me if you have any questions or any comments, and I'll talk to you guys soon.